Hey, what's up everybody? It's Meredith Strick with Spelled Training. I've got an awesome papaya smoothie for you today, and these are the ingredients. Really fast, really easy, really delicious. You know the deal, we're gonna go through all these ingredients, put it together, and then we're gonna have a really fast smoothie. All right, so papaya smoothie. Obviously, you see you've got a lot of ingredients going on here. This is papaya. So the main digestive enzyme in papaya is called PAPAIN, and that actually helps really break down the proteins in your stomach. So the great thing is that we have a 1/4 cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt that we're gonna add to this smoothie, plus a whole banana, plus a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and a little bit of vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. So super easy. All you do is put everything in, blend it, and then you're done. So the nice thing about this smoothie is you're getting the protein from the yogurt, you're getting those digestive enzymes, and you're getting the sweetness from the banana, plus all of that potassium, and makes it nice and creamy with the milk. So I know you guys have probably seen me do this before. Last time I was shaking it and I think I almost broke this blender. So I have enough liquid here that it's not gonna make a difference whether I'm shaking it or not, but you can also use frozen fruits. You can use frozen papaya, frozen banana. However, if you do that, you need more liquid or you're gonna be shaking your blender. So let's go ahead and add this in. Whole banana, okay? Let's go ahead and see if we can get everything in. See, this is why I was like, I think I need a spoon to get this out. It's very thick. So getting that yogurt in there as well, as best as you can, getting the almond milk without spilling it, and finally the papaya. So I'm just gonna spoon this in here too. So when you're using papaya, you're gonna wanna get a papaya that's a little bit softer. Now they're kind of hard to pick out because you can get giant ones and you can get medium-sized ones and really tiny ones, but it's about actually how ripe it is, because if it's not ripe, it's kind of like a mango. It's really, really hard. So rinse my hands here for a second and add in this vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. Gives it a little bit more of a bump in flavor. Don't forget the top, and that is it. See, I almost shook the blender. But if you kind of just mix it around, you can see that's nice orange color in there, and it's kind of like a light pink just from the actual white of the yogurt. Pouring it in, obviously the frozen fruit, ooh, a little bit of chunk of papaya. The frozen fruit is gonna give you a thicker consistency, but overall, really sweet, really smooth. You can taste the vanilla from that vanilla extract, but it's also nice and creamy. From that yogurt, super simple, super easy, super fast. That is your papaya smoothie. Make sure you guys check this out and all the other videos, and we'll see you on the next one.